Quick little video about redoing the hub bearing on the front of a Toyota Tacoma. This is a 2006 and it's really simple. There's other videos out there telling you how to do it. I'm just going to give you a quick lowdown. Remove brake caliper, hang it, take off the brake, hammer things apart. You got to take off the dust cap for the axle, which is right there. Undo the 4 bolts on the back of the hub assembly and then just pop it off. And here's the old hub. Mine were bad. Telltale signs. Making a lot of noise, and the noise would change when it would turn, and you can even hear it. That's a lot of noise in this, so yeah. It needed new hubs. New bearings. And instead of doing basically where you would separate, this is the hub bearing, one of these is hub, one of these is bearing, whatever. Bearings are inside, and you would have to press them out. I don't have a press, so instead I went to Marion Bumper to Bumper. There's various vendors online that sell complete hub bearing assemblies, and this one was a good price. It was 165 bucks. I got 2 of them because who knows, I might need to do the other side. Pretty stoked on this. Makes this job really easy. It took less than an hour, honestly, to get this apart. It's only a handful of bolts. Those are the bolts, right? Not very many. And then just a little bit of that action right there with some BFG, and then, BFG, that's a giant. BFH is what I mean. Yeah, and then now we're gonna install in reverse order. Important, since we can't get a torque wrench on these guys, just get some blue Loctite, put it on the threads, and then you should be good to go. I think you're looking for 59 foot-pounds, so you can do your best guesstimate on what that'll feel like with your hands. Now I'm gonna just work on getting this bad boy on, and hopefully I got quieter driving and I'm not worried about my wheel falling off anymore. So that's a quick little lowdown on wheel bearing front hub replacement on a 2nd gen Toyota Tacoma. It is pretty straightforward. Undo some bolts, take that off, put this on. Yeah, if you have questions or anything, then just check it out online. There's lots of information out there. See ya.